Vanakkam. Hi friends, welcome back to Nageshwari's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you my shopping haul, that is plants shopping haul. I'm going to show you what are all the plants that I purchased, the price, where, everything. So I'm going to tell you everything. If you like to buy these plants, you can go and buy there. Um, let's get into the video. Before that, if you're watching Nageshwari's Kitchen for the first time, please subscribe to Nageshwari's Kitchen and press the notification bell symbol. You will get notified whenever I post my new videos. Let's get into the video. So if you can travel with car, so this is $5 per car. You can walk in as well, so you can pay $1 per person. It's better to go in with the car if you're planning to buy more stuff. If you want just to go and have a look, so it's better to pay $1 and just go around and have a look. So there are lot of vegetable shops there, and the price is really cheap. If you go in the finishing time, the vegetables are really cheap, and they have a lot of food courts as well, takeaway foods, snacks, especially lot of snack. You can find all sort of clothes, glasses, makeup items, vessels, takeaway containers, even second hand products. They are selling a lot of second hand products, rugs, everything. um, one day is not enough to go around this market to have a look. So we went around 2:30. So there were only two garden shops are open. So we just wanted to buy a cherry plant, but this one was sold. So there was not much cherry plant, so we couldn't buy that. We bought the other plants. You can bargain in this market. So bargain, they will reduce at least 5 to $20. It depends on which plant you're buying. And there are a lot of eggplant varieties. There are more Indian varieties of brinjal as well. Please, if you are planning to buy Asian vegetables, please go ahead to this market and you can find lots. And I found some interesting flowers. I have dahlia, pink dahlia in my garden. I saw like yellow dahlia. There are more flowers, beautiful colorful flowers as well, and per pot is only $8. It's really cheap. And I found mango tree as well. um, we were just running out of time, and also we are not able to bargain for mango plant. I was not sure how much, also I didn't ask her. Next time I'm planning to buy mango, but I'm not sure whether in Melbourne the mango tree will grow or not, so I have to research about that. Then I will decide whether to buy or not. I was looking for persimmon fruit, but when I saw the details, the persimmon tree will grow really bigger. So if you have more space in your garden, please plant persimmon. It will be really tasty, and also it's very expensive fruit as well. So we finally bought the plants. I was actually recording while I bought the plants, but I decided to do some voiceover after that because of too much noise at the background. So these are all the plants that we purchased. We did they gave some discounts, but and interestingly, I found gooseberry. I was really happy to see that plant, so I bought that, and I will update it in my future videos. My kids were enjoying as well. There, it was a really hot day. So this is the flower that I showed you in my previous video. So this is the pink jasmine. Many of you were asking where you bought the pink jasmine. I bought it in Bunnings, but in this Laverton market, there are more pink jasmine plant, and it's very cheap as well. I was keep looking at a persimmon plant, but due to space of my garden, so I didn't buy that. It's only $100. Such a big tree, and also it's fruiting as well. So are tired and they just resting. You keep roaming there. So um, there are more berry fruits as well. So I'm not sure what is this fruit. I think I had this before. So this is gooseberry. This is not Indian type of gooseberry. This is here. It looks like this. The next plant is gooseberry. This is not an Indian variety gooseberry. They said this it will grow in this weather. So this is the first time I'm seeing this plant. I'm going to try this. I will update in my future videos the growth of this gooseberry plant. The gooseberry plant price is $25, but they gave for $20. So the next plant is raspberry. The next plant is raspberry. In Melbourne weather, raspberry, blackberry, strawberry, blueberry, all berry varieties will grow without any issues at all. So if you want to grow more berry varieties, please go ahead and plant in your garden. You can see beautiful berry fruits. So I purchased raspberry. It cost $25. They gave me for $20. So you can bargain in Laverton Market. Some plants they don't give bargains, but some plants they do give. It's up to you how you talk to them, how you interact, how many plants you are going to buy. So it's based on that they give you some discounts. The cherry guava. This is also really tall. You can see the flowers as well. It's going to fruit soon. I hope I will update that in my future videos. I will show you how the fruit size and everything. The size of this fruit will be exactly like cherry size, the bigger cherry size. That I bought is cherry guava. Cherry guava easy you can grow easily in Melbourne weather. The Indian variety guava you have to take care so much because to Melbourne weather it's hard to grow, so you have to put more fertilizers, you have to care too much. But cherry guava you don't have to care so much, it will grow nicely to Melbourne weather. If you want to try that, you can plant cherry guava. Cherry guava also $45, and the cherry guava also is to my height and it's fruiting now as well. So this is my mandarin plant. It's actually really tall. It's fruiting as well now. This is mandarin emperor variety. Will be really sweet. Not the sour orange like I have in my garden. So I'm going to try this, and I have tasted the fruit as well. It's so good. So I'm going to plant in my backyard, and I will update in my future videos the growth of this plant. Plant that I bought is mandarin. Mandarin is it's almost my height. I purchased for $45. They said it's a fixed price, but they gave some discounts for some other plants, but not in to this mandarin. They have more varieties of fruit plants. If you want to buy more, you can go and have a look. $45 is worth, I think. If you check that plant in marketplace, they are saying it's $70 to $80. I felt this is worth to buy, so that's why I bought one mandarin. So the next one is grapes, sultana variety. ஸோ அடுத்தது வந்து நான் திராட்சை பழம் வாங்கினேன். சுல்தானா நம்ம ட்ரை கிரேப்ஸ் பண்ணுவோம்ல அந்த வெரைட்டி, நல்லா நீட்டாக இருக்கும். ஸோ அந்த திராட்சை பழம் வாங்கினேன். I bought grapes. My husband he loves grapes and my kids as well. So that's also cost $45, but they gave for $40. It's really healthy. The plant looks really healthy. In Melbourne weather, grapes will definitely grow. You can see a lot of grape farms in around Melbourne. You can see vineyards everywhere. So without any doubt you can grow grapes in Melbourne. In Laverton Market, not only plants, you can buy fruits, clothes, food, lot of takeaway food, toys, everything is available. Even second hand products, like even for 50 cents, $1, they're selling all the utensils, clothes, shoes, so many things. It's everything is there in Laverton Market. Go and have a look. If you like, you can purchase. It will take at least half a day to go around Laverton Market to see everything. And they have vegetables as well. If you go, if you want to buy more variety plants, you have to go in the morning. If you want to buy only vegetables, I will suggest to go in the 2 o'clock or 2:30. During finishing time, they're giving it for cheaper prices. I bought 10 kilo tomato box for $10. In supermarkets here, they're selling 1 kilo for $3.50 or $4, but I bought 10 kilos for $10. It's so cheap. And also the fruit, the tomato was so good, not even single one is spoiled. Everything was so good, very good quality. So you can pick what you want to buy. So try in Laverton Market and leave it in comment section below how you like it. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. If you like this video, please thumbs up and share with your friends. Please subscribe to Nageshwari's Kitchen. I will see you on another video. Bye.